About to set off on a hike in the Brecon Beacons.
We were in the Black Mountains of Wales. My friend Charlie had told me about a series of secluded waterfalls nearby, so we set off to find them.
This little guy.
It wasn't long until we came across some of the area's famous wild horses.
Wow. Good to see the new fall, we think.
The wind really started to pick up as we reached the top of the slope.
Is there a way down? A bit steep. Some big clouds descending there. Rain's getting a bit close for comfort now. Gonna get showered. Just in time, the rain's started. Looks like we're inside a cloud. Like that, it's sunny again.
We followed the brook down into a forest. I was told the waterfalls were now nearby.
So it's raining again.
The last rain shower had caught me unaware, and I was now soaked. I was excited to see the waterfalls though, and take some time to rest in a secluded spot.
Getting close to the waterfalls now.
Wow, look at that. That's crazy.
Awesome.
After taking some time at the first cascade, we headed off in search of another waterfall further downstream. We hadn't reckoned on the path being quite so boggy though.
We make it over. It's like quicksand. Gauntlet.
As we wound our way down the path, the white noise hiss of the waterfall became stronger.
That was pretty cool.
What kind of mushrooms are they?
Some type of tail, is it?
There's the other waterfalls.
been a great hike. We're going to head back to the yurt, have a fire, cup of tea and chill. Back at the yurt. It had been a beautiful hike and amazing to spend time in those serene places along the way. Worn out, we settled in for a campfire. Go for it. Once again, thanks for watching and see you next time.